Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video you're going to learn how to restore your hot wallet account on Telegram. It's really simple, right? First thing you have to do is to open up the hot wallet app. If you haven't joined, I'll leave a link in the description. Now if you open this up, the hot wallet bot on Telegram, this is going to lead you to this very page which says welcome to hot wallet, the best in the market chain, abstracted wallet trusted by 30 million plus users. Now if you don't know, this is one airdrop on Telegram you shouldn't joke with. As a matter of fact, this is my top pick, right? This is my top pick, and I would advise you to join this, right? Like I told you before, I would stop posting videos about Telegram airdrops, but I told you that I will go on to explain those airdrops that I talked about before, that I dropped in my crypto communities. These are airdrops I'm going to be tutoring you about till listing, and after that I am done with Telegram airdrop. So enough of the long talk, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is to click on this very button that says import accounts. So I'm just going to click on that right now. So the moment you click on it, it's going to say import hot wallet QR. Go to settings, security and apps, to export. So we're going to say seed phrase because this is the only one available right now, and this is what they give to us when creating our account. If you're also creating your account, make sure you keep your seed phrase safe and do not share it with anyone. Do not store it on your phone. Write it down on a piece of paper, your jotter or something, and keep it safe because it's very important. If you want to access your wallet, this is what you're going to be needing to access your wallet, just like I'm about to access my wallet right now with this very seed phrase. So I'm just going to paste in my seed phrase right now and then come back to this very video. So I just dropped my seed phrase right now, and I'm going to click on continue right now. So this is loading up right now, and it says importing an account. So let's wait for this to actually import my account. So it says select an account to log in, right? So this is all the account that is associated with this, but the one you want to click on is this, right, which is my Telegram account, which is at the top. So I'm going to select this right at the top and then click on continue. So yes, I am back to my hot wallet account, right? So this is what I've collected so far. This is an account I am not really taking serious, but I'm going to start taking things serious right now, and I actually want you to do so. Okay, so this is basically how to import your hot wallet account on Telegram, right? It's really easy. So yes, the first thing I'm going to do right now is to click on storage right here, okay, to claim the points I have to claim. So it says check news. I'm going to click on check news, this purple button right here, to end 0.009 hot, and this is the news right here. So it says public AI and hot looks like they are having a partnership. So if I come back right now, I'm going to claim my hot for today, right? This is loading up, and I have now successfully claimed this. Okay, so yes, this is it right now. I successfully claimed this, and if I want to earn more points, I can just come over to the missions right here, right? If I click on missions right now, this is going to bring me to this very page. I don't know why this is not loading up currently, but this is basically where you have to come to end this, and we have the join contest right here. You can participate in some of these contests, and there's a chance that you might, benefit from something like this, right? So we have the apps section. Now in this apps section, you can also benefit from this apps section, right? You can see this, the endpoint right here from the meme pad, right? I've been away for some time right now, so it's kind of a change of interface, but this is something you should just play around with, right? The most basic place you earn points from is from the hot balance, which then you come to the mission section and you check out the mission. You can also see your friends right here from there, right? And you click on invite friend right here, and you get your referral link, which you can share with your friends and family, right? And you can also remind them by clicking on the remind button right here, and everyone who joined this will be reminded to come mine, right? You can boost your earnings with the boosters right here, where you can see the wooden storage, stone fireplace, the neon wood. Each of them have their own purpose, right? You just have to read carefully and understand what they represent. So this right here increases the time you claim, right? You claim less often. This right here gives you passive mining speed, right? Like increases what you claim, and this right here increases the speed you claim this. Okay, you boost your mining speed by ×3, right? So you just have to play around this and understand this whole stuff, right? So this is basically what you need to know about hot wallet. I hope you did, understand how to import your hot wallet into your Telegram account. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Stay safe.